Welcome everyone, today I'll be showing you how to draw the Grinch. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the eyebrow. We're going to start right in the center with a point. Let's draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the left. Go back to the center and draw that same angle line going up towards the right. Let's move to the center and draw a short line going up. Now underneath the brow, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around and then back up and then do the same thing on the right. We're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye coming in. Line that up on the right. Draw a small circle along the bottom right. Now let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw a small circle for the nose. Let's go to the outside and draw the mouth. We're going to curve this down, across, and then up. Let's go back to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Let's go to the top and draw on the hat. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve coming down and then up toward the left. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's draw another curve on either side, coming down and then up. Let's round up the side of the hat, coming around and then back in. And draw a series of curves going across from left to right. Let's add those furry cheeks, starting on the left, bend this out and then down. I'm just going to bend this back up to create a point. And we'll do that again, going out and then down. Just bring that back in towards the bottom of the head. And I'll follow the same curve of the mouth, going across the bottom and then back up towards the right. Now let's move up and draw the outside of the hat. Starting on the left, curve this up, across, and then down. Let's curve this back in towards the right side of the hat. Let's add a circle on the end. And we'll move down and draw in the color. Starting from the center, curve this down and up toward the left, and then the right. Round up the side and go up underneath the head. Now I'm going to curve the side of the body. Starting on the left, bend this out and then down. Round out the bottom and then bend that back up. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. Starting from the center, curve this down and up towards the left side and then the right. Now let's draw a straight line going across the bottom of the body. And I'll draw some curves going across the top. Starting in the center, go out toward the left and right side. I'm just going to pull the arms in towards the hips, starting on the left, then it's around, and then back in. And then we'll tuck the hands in underneath, coming down, and then in. Let's add a curve across the sleeve, going up and then down. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of the Grinch. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.